India's wetlands are vibrant ecosystems, teeming with life, and home to some of the most fascinating water birds on the planet. The Little Egret, with its slender white frame and black legs, is a master of patience. With quick, darting movements, it snatches up small fish and insects, relying on stealth and precision. Diving deep beneath the surface, the Indian cormorant uses its sharp beak and strong webbed feet to chase down fish. It's a true underwater predator, often seen spreading its wings to dry in the sun. Almost invisible until it moves, the Indian pond heron, often called the paddy bird, it's a master of camouflage, striking only when prey is within inches. The Grey-headed Swamphen, with its vivid blue plumage and red bill, walks confidently through floating vegetation. It's a strong swimmer and a vocal resident of India's wetlands. And then there's the Eurasian Coot, unmistakable with its white facial shield. These social birds are excellent divers, searching for aquatic plants beneath the water's surface. From silent stalkers to noisy flocks, India's water birds play a vital role in the health of wetland ecosystems. Observing them offers a glimpse into a world where survival, beauty, and balance coexist.